Hi, good day M6085. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Gina Lynn Noche. I was born in August 26, 1984. I'm 41 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic. I have 3 children. I have a live-in partner.
Your highest education attainment.
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a helper is I have one employer, 4 family members, have a newborn baby and 2 years old boy. I'm taking care of the baby while my mom and sir is in the office.
Okay. And on your experience in Brunei.
I have experience in Brunei as a helper. I served 8 members of the family. I'm taking care of grandma, which is 82 years old and has an Alzheimer. My mom and sir is 44 years old and 46 years old, and the sister of my sir is 55 years old.
Okay. Okay. And you are also the one who will do the household chores.
I'm the one who do all the household chores, sir, like cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of grandma.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, because I have a baby too.
You have also a children.
Yes.
Okay. And if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature of the baby, then check the tummy, and also the diaper if it is full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything that you can, what will you do?
I just call my mom and sir so that they know what's happening to the baby.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I just want to work in Hong Kong so that for the future of my family and for my future too.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer likes me, I just work with them.
Okay. It is okay to you to extend it.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I just buy a book or I just tell to my mom that I will use my YouTube so that I can learn how to cook the food.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir, I will.
How about color it into black?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, also, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly because you have an
Yes,
experience, right?
sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I'm a hardworking, dedicated, honest, and willing to learn the task given. Good luck and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you.
Miss Jenaline.